So here we are in the Shopify store that we have created. It's a brand new store, it's still in the trial period, and pretty much we're going to be going into the App Store and finding the app that we need to set up these Google Shopping campaigns. So we will go into apps, we will click Visit Shopify App Store. In the search bar, we will type in Google Shopping, and we are prompted with many options. But with the one that we want is the one that's made by Shopify. So make sure you click this one here that says made by Shopify. It is absolutely free. Once we are here, we want to click get. We want to add this as a sales channel. And here we can see that Google Shopping requires some things. Pretty much you need to have your contact information for your store. You need to remove the password from your store, and since this is a trial, we still haven't done any of that. You have to create a refund policy, add the United States to your shipping zones. That has already been done for us. Create a terms of service. We need to create that. Uninstall your existing shopping Google Shopping app. We don't have another Google Shopping app, so that is fine. Have fewer than 10,000 products. We have 0 products to begin with, so that is okay. And add a valid payment provider, and that is fine as well. So pretty much what we're going to do here is we're going to do some of these things just in case you just started your store. If you haven't, most of these should be checked off green, and we will get back to that. So we're going to first remove the password, and pretty much that's just a quick button here that enables this password. We just want to uncheck that. But as you can see, we would have to pick a plan in order to do that. So we will continue moving forward with everything else because we do not want to start paying for this trial. We will then create the policies, and this is very, very easy. If you go into this section right here, I believe this is in the checkout section of the settings. You can generate a refund policy, a privacy policy, and a terms of service very easily. Just click these buttons. There, Shopify creates a refund policy for you. Same thing with the privacy policy, and same thing with the terms of service. Now all we have to do is click save, and those boxes should now be checked green, as you can see. The only thing missing is to remove the password, but we will not be doing that with this store because this is just a trial store. So we will actually be jumping back into the store that we have created for testing and to further use in this course to show how we will then proceed with these steps. So here we are with our test store, and as you will now see, this will skip the requirements process and send us directly into another page because we already have everything set up. It will see here, as you can see here, add contact information to your store. Google must suspend your account if your online store doesn't include 2 of these contact methods. So we have already gone ahead and set it up, and now it says you'll be able to create or configure your Merchant Center account. We have already created that as well, so we will be configuring that going forward. So now it asks us to connect our Google account. So we'll click connect a Google account, and it will ask us what Google account we want to connect. So obviously here you want to select the email that you have created for this purpose. You want to allow this. Read through the terms of service. and accept. And as you can see here, we are now connected with the app. Here's our Google Merchant Center ID. Just to confirm, we want to make sure that this is the same one that we are working with in our Merchant Center. So we will go back here. As you can see, 1195754110. Go back here. 1195754110. It's the same. Store currency, USD, target country, United States, language English. Everything is okay. Everything is okay, so we will go ahead and create account. And now we are good to go with the product sync, and we will be doing this further in a later video, actually in module 5, which we will be linking our products to our Google Merchant Center and then creating our campaigns in Google AdWords. So thank you for sticking around. This is the last video of module 1, and see you in the next module.